Wow, I love Tetris. It's my favorite game. But I don't know, I think I beat my high score of 200. I don't remember. I'm gonna call and see if Jake has ever beaten 200. Jake, what's your highest score in Tetris?
I have no idea. It never saves my high score.
I'm the best at Snake. Better than you, Deep.
You only got 100.
What's your highest?
I don't know, it doesn't save your highest score nor compare your scores to top users.
Outrage.
There's gotta be a better website.
And there it is.
It's called Zero-ish. Now, if you want to navigate our website, all you have to do is go to the top right corner, which is our login button. And you can create an account if you don't have an account, or you can log in. So we're gonna create an account. Username can be anything you'd like. We can call it Sty, and our password can be anything you'd like. And it's all encrypted in our database, so that's good. And we can log in with your username and your password. Now, if you log in, you can go in your profile, and you can see your username is right here in the top left corner, Sty's profile, and you can update your profile picture if you'd like. So, choose a file. I'm going to use one of my old pictures, and just upload the image. Now you can see our profile is automatically updated. Now, let's say if you want to use your Facebook and automatically create a profile for you. You can log out, you can log back in, and you can create one using Facebook. So you click here, and it takes you to the Facebook API. And my Facebook is already automatically filled in, so you just log in. Right, and now you can go to your profile, and you can see that your profile picture is your picture on your profile is the same exact one as your Facebook profile picture. And you use your and it automatically takes your profile name from Facebook and puts it right here. And you can view your latest scores, your highest scores, your average scores, if you've played previously.
So in here we have the latest 5 scores if we have played over 5 games, the high score, the average score, and the number of times played for each game. And we also have a leaderboard for both of the games, which displays the top 10 high scores and top 10 average scores. And in this page we have links to everyone's profile that we can go to so we can see their latest scores and their high score, average, and the number of times played. So the way we have our database set up is we have 3 tables. One with the user and the encrypted password, another for Tetris with the latest scores in a list, the high score as an integer, the average score as a float, and the number of times played as an integer. And we do the same for Snap. And we also have a search page where you can look up users. So all you need to do is enter a username or a part of a username, and it will show all the results. So if you search B, it will show all the accounts with the B in the name. And if we search Bob, it'll show the 2 users, Bob and Bobby. And from here we can go to their profile and look at their scores again.
Here we have Tetris, except it's not like your ordinary Tetris. Obviously the pieces come down and you can rotate them, as you can see. And we have a special feature where if you press spacebar, it goes all the way down. In addition, you can speed up the pieces, as well as move the pieces when they're in a tight corner. For example, as they're going down, there's a slight pause where you can put them. I'm so bad at this. How do I click this? That's not working. Okay, cut. We're gonna start from here now, okay? I'm gonna restart from here. Okay, so in Zero-ish we have 2 projects. One is the Tetris project. In Tetris, we have implemented different features. For example, when you press spacebar, it goes automatically down. In addition, you can rotate the pieces as like a normal Tetris, as well as speed up the pieces so that they go down faster. You can speed up the pieces by just holding down the down key. In addition, you can pause the game by pressing P, and continue the game by pressing P again. The scoring system is based off of how many rows you clear, as well as the amount of time it takes you to clear those rows. And if you're satisfied with your score and you wish to exit, you can simply press escape. As you can see, I've scored 1,137 points and I've cleared one row. So now we can go on to Snake. As you can see, this is not like your ordinary Snake game. Well, for the first part, there are obstacles in your way, and if you've noticed, they're shaped like Tetris pieces. This was intentional because we wanted to keep the theme of Tetris alive. In addition, in this game, the snake actually increases in speed as you get more points. In this case, it's 200 points per level. The level indicates how fast the snake goes. Similar to the Tetris UI, you can also it's also very similar to the Tetris UI. For example, you can move up, down, left, and right, and also spacebar can be used to pause as well as continue the game.
Users approve.
It's okay.
What do you think about Zero-ish?
It's the best website ever.
How is Zero-ish? It's the best website ever.
Drained from Tetrising too hard.
I love how you can connect to your Facebook.